Hey guys, what's up? It's me again. So I'm having a slime competition. What slime do you think is the most? Wait, what is your favorite slime? And please do not comment what your friend commented. I picked the same thing. Sorry. So here's the first slime, and please comment down below. Also. So here's the first slime. It's wet. It's not stretchy. Feels like putty. It usually breaks a lot, but it looks like for this video it doesn't want to, because it's pretty much trying to say, vote me, vote me, vote me, right now. And I want this video to get 5 likes, please. It like breaks. And it doesn't really stick together. So yeah. Containers, that's why I have like really bad. I have really bad containers. Yeah. Here's the next slime. They're not too bad of a container, like the tops. Yeah, it's not that bad. Well, because I have that container for a long time. And the other one that I just said, do not do bubbles, do not do fingerprints at all. But this one, come and challenge him by doing, okay, sorry. I was just reading the text message that I got. Oh, and by the way, please go check out my Musical.ly. It is the same thing as my YouTube channel. So, thanks. Bye. Yeah, why did they say bye? I'm not leaving. Can you just say no? Please. Continue to see with me, because I'm going to be there June 29th for 3 days. And I'm going to be recording musicals there, so maybe you could be doing musicals and stuff.
Oh, good. I went to that new second-hand store next to Dollar Tree, and they had, it was a grand opening. They had a bunch of food and drinks, and even at wine, they had all kinds of stuff, so I grabbed those for you.
Okay.
Piles of water. They even had like champagne and wine. It was really weird. And donuts and cookies.
Donuts! Well,
I just grabbed that real quick because I'm finding everything was so expensive. It's obviously for very ritzy women, because I sure as heck won't shop there. I'll go to my Goodwill.
yeah.
I'm happy with my Goodwill.
You know, I'm recording a video.
Huh?
And is that okay if I record a video in New York City?
Mm-hmm.
Musical.ly still. Okay. Oh yeah. Definitely that too. If you just remember, we are going to do Musical.ly and video on the Statue of Liberty show, which I'm really excited about that. So that was the first slime. Comment down silver slime. And for this one, comment down little slime. Little slime. Okay. So those were the first two. Now I have one more. This is what my mom got me. Secret. I love these things. Tell me if you see it. Do you see it? This one's really bad. I really do like this one. And by the way, in the next video, I am posting one of my musicals. So, not that would be too close to the camera. I almost got you another book. That'd be bad. I'm gonna have to get it off my phone. Probably take like 6 minutes. And yeah. Let's get those 5 likes in the video. Oh, sorry if I'm so crazy right now. Well, I just went in the pool. We just had a garage sale. That's crazy. I mean, we're still having it right now. We got free iced tea. We got free slime. We got, well, the free slime is actually, the slime is actually $2. Yeah. That's so sad. Over there, yeah. And also, comment down below your favorite food. Yeah. I only have 2 more days of school. I'm sorry. I think that's the farthest bubble, but it. Sorry. It's really, really stretchy, this one. It was bigger than that. It's like real slime right here. I'm playing GT. God. She's not wandering around our house. It's like, what? That was bad. What's after this? Yeah. The silver one doesn't really stretch, but I like it. Fail. I'm making this video for 10 minutes already. No, because it's over than 10 minutes. Pretty much. Now it is. When it's, I don't know. Let's see if I can make a tiny little book. And this time we're not driving to New York City. We are going on a plane to New York City, which I'm really excited. So when it gets, well, bye guys. Hope you guys have a really nice day.